branch. Sponsors, Bridge ICT Calamba Laguna, Soli Evento, Angels All-Purpose Green, Brandy's Milagrosa, M-Plan Fitness, DLBT, Smart Telecommunication, Royal Cable, Brandbank City Hall Branch, Gardenia Bakeries Philippines, SM Calamba City, Department of Tourism, Wicked 4A, City Mall, Calamba Medical Center, Chateau JB, and Algene Trading. And of course, for our minor sponsors, Shells and Pride Trading, Monday MY Sun Corporation, Johnny SM, Vide Brera Fireworks, Calamba Premier Industrial Park, Hotel Marciano, McDonald's Halal, Suntress Gas Corporation, San Miguel Corporation Infrastructure, Nature Spring, Pugat Lawi ng Calamba, King Camp Enterprises, Golden Deer Enterprises, Dito Telecommunity, Wonder Island Resort, McDonald Crossing, Calamba Doctors Hospital, Magnolia, Chris Labelle Facial Center, Expressions, Asian Link Finance Corporation, Premium Plastic Group, MFG Corporation, Quality Corrugated MFG Corporation, SBI Corporation, Laguna Car Parks MFG, Calamba Border District, Global Medical Center, Montreal Launch, Welcome Depot, Calamba, Burnell's Cakehouse and Variety, and of course, the Palawan Perapadala Poncha. Maraming salamat po. Palakpakan naman po natin ang ating sponsors. Okay, so at this moment, we would like to give this certificate of appreciation to our beloved and esteemed panel of judges.
From the certificate of appreciation
to Ms. Gina Bonifacio Madin, with sincere gratitude for your invaluable service as judge in the fourth competition of the Calamba Bayani Festival 2025 held on the 19th of June 2025 at Calamba City. To support a significant contributor given this 19th day of June 2025 at Calamba City, celebrating the Catholic Head of Cultural Affairs, Tourism and Sports Development Department, Mr. Olen Parla and Gohilano. And of course, our City Mayor, Mr. Miguel Rizal.
Number awarded by the Department of Cultural Affairs, Tourism and Sports Development Department. Bangla Ulen, Parla Bohola. Another certificate of appreciation is presented to Miss Edmarie Calungsod. For certificate of appreciation is presented to Miss Sarah A. Gallegos. Ayan yung ipakilala natin yung mga judges natin sa float competition. Our first judge is
Tumingin sa'yo ito. Ay, Mas!
Our second judge is a highly motivated and experienced tourism officer with more than 10 years of experience in promoting tourism destinations, tour guiding, tourism planning, development, and managing tourism-related events. Our second judge is the supervising tourism operations officers of Paquin Laguna, Miss Lara Galleros. Our third judge is a dedicated municipal tourism office head of the town of Los Baños, municipality of Los Baños, Laguna, with a strong commitment to promoting sustainable, inclusive, and culturally rich travel experiences. Not only to charm visitors, but to foster a deeper understanding of the people, traditions, and narratives of Los Baños. Our third judge is Miss Edmarie Calungsod. Palakpakan po natin ang ating tatlong judges for float competition. Hayaan nyo rin naman kami i-announce ang ating mga prizes for Sayaw in Duck Street Dance Competition. Our champion will receive 250,000 pesos plus trophy. Ganyan pong kalaki. Ang second place will receive 175,000 pesos plus trophy. Third place will receive 135,000 pesos plus trophy. Bukod po doon ay meron ding magkakamit ng best in costume or best costume na magkakamit ng 50,000 pesos plus trophy. Ganyan po kalaki. Palakpakan naman po natin ang City Government of Calamba sa pagiging very generous sa mga ganitong klase ng competitions, lalo na sa paghubog ng galing at talento ng kabataang Kalampeño.
Yes, Sir Jerome. And at this moment, tawagin muna natin yung mga participants natin sa ating Sayaw in Duck Street Dance Competition. Crowd check muna tayo kung talagang na-maintain pa ang energy ng bawat isa. Simulan natin sa Team Pansol! Okay. Nasaan ang Laguna College of Business and Arts? Okay. At hindi naman siyempre sobra yung energy. Hanggang bukas Okay, nasaan ang Vera Guerrero? Ayun, pink na pink ang Vera Guerrero. Nasaan naman ang Induct Baybayin Dance Troupe? Okay. Parinig naman ang malakas na sigawan ng Sidihi Kultura Dancers of Barangay Kayanlog. Okay, medyo malayo sila pero malakas pa rin. Nasaan ang Walagwakan of United Uwisan? Ang lakas nun Nabingi ako doon. Nasaan ang Tanghaliwan Arts Collective Barangay Kanlubang? Ayun. Ang Sansi Club Dance Troupe. Ang Alliance of Talents. Talaga naman. Parang nagsisimula pa lang ng sayawan natin. And of course, ang Lyceum of the Philippines, University Laguna!
Talagang palakasan ng hiyawan at sigawan ang ating mga participants, di ba? Talagang palaban.
Yes, Sir Jerome. At ngayon po, hawak na namin ang resulta ng ating
Float competition. Ito po muna ang ating i-announce. Ano? So let's start with the third placer for float competition. Tawagin po muna natin ang mag-award, of course, the Department Head of City Tourism Office, Ma'am Carla Boholano. And our judges, sige po, sama na rin po si Sir. Sino sa tingin nyo ang mananalo sa float competition?
Of course, bago natin announce ang winner, sabihin muna natin ang prizes sa ating float competition. For our consolation prize, magkakaroon po ang bawat participant ng 30,000 pesos plus trophy. Sa ating third prize, 100,000 pesos plus trophy. Second prize, 150,000 pesos and trophy. And for our grand prize, mag-uwi ng 200,000 pesos and trophy.
So simulan na po natin sa third prize. Our third prize, we will receive 100,000 pesos plus trophy with an average score of 86.17%. Our third prize for float competition in Calambagong Buhayani Festival 2025 is Taogama Field! Congratulations, Taogama Field! You will receive 100,000 pesos plus trophy. Asan po ang representative from Taogama?
Ayan, kahit representative na lang po ng Taogama Fee, you guys will receiving 100,000 pesos and a trophy.
And of course, a big check. Ayan, napakalaki ng cheque.
Okay.
Sige po, mamaya na lang po kung sino po yung representative ay alapit na lang po sa staff ng tourism.
Alright.
Let us now announce the second prize.
Our second placer for Calambagong Buhayani Festival 2025 Float Competition will be receiving 150,000 pesos and a trophy. Congratulations to, with an average score of 90.33, Grand Logia Soberana de Archipelago Filipino. Respetable Logia Magpili
Or Mason. Sila po yung Mason.
Ayan.
Congratulations, Mason. You will receive 150,000 pesos plus trophy. And a big check.
Sigat Jose Rizal, ang pambansang bayani, inalay ang buhay at di napapisa.
Again, congratulations to Grand Logia Soberana de Archipelago Filipino, or Mason. Our second placer for float competition. And now, our grand champion or grand prize for float competition to receive 200,000 pesos plus trophy. Our first prize with an average score of 93.33% is Global Care Medical Center of Canluban.
Congratulations, Global Care Medical Center of Canluban!
Ayan, isang malakas na pa. Parang ang dami yung float, no? Kanina pa kayo nagtatalo na. Ang daming float ng mga to.
Alright!
So ito po ay back-to-back champion daw. Sila din ang champion last year.
Wow.
Sila din ang first prize.
Sigat Jose Rizal, ang pambansang bayani, inalay.
Again, congratulations to Global Care Medical Center of Canluban for winning the grand prize for float competition in Kalambagong Buhayani Festival 2025. Next year po uli.
Alright, mabuhay ang ating health workers! Also an event host, singer, and beach ball creator. Head coordinator and member of city government of Canada Performing Arts Group. Member of the city. The second group, city government of Canada Arts
₱50 lang libre pakabit. Wow na wow! Boss Mado, quality tempered glass po kayo dyan. Available po all unit. ₱50 lang libre pakabit. Wow na wow!
Gusto ko din tayo dadaan.
₱50 lang libre pakabit. Wow na wow! Boss Mado, quality tempered glass po kayo dyan. Available po all unit. ₱50 lang libre pakabit. Wow na wow! Boss Mado, quality tempered glass po kayo dyan. Available po all unit.
May tinatago ka pala dyan nila naman po ito.